Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Synthesia, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download a Synthesia AI video? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download a video from Synthesia that you created anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing content, Synthesia is a popular way to create videos from AI, but once you've created the videos, you might not know how to download it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Synthesia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download one of your Synthesia videos, here on the left, you're going to click on videos. Once you do that, go ahead and choose the video that you want to download. So for example, this one right here, there's a couple of different ways you can download the video. You can go ahead and just hover over it and then click on these three dots and then click on download. And then you can choose the file type. So MP4 right here. And the video is going to go ahead and start downloading. Another way you can do that is you can just click into the video. Once you click into the video, it's going to be in the preview, and to download it up here on the top right, you're going to click on these three dots. Once you do that, you're going to see the download button as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download your Synthesia AI video, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.